Gardening is a joy, but it comes with its challenges. Weeds and pests can quickly turn your thriving garden into a struggle. Today we'll explore how to identify these nuisances and protect your plants so they can flourish. Let's start with common weeds. Dandelions, with their bright yellow flowers and deep taproots, are easy to spot. Crabgrass spreads quickly and can take over your flower beds, while clover may look innocent, but forms dense mats that compete with your plants for nutrients. Some weeds are more destructive. Invasive weeds like bindweed, morning glory, and Japanese stiltgrass can choke out your plants. Bindweed's creeping vines, morning glory's rapid growth, and stiltgrass blending into lawns make early detection crucial. Pests often hide in plain sight. Aphids cluster on new growth, spider mites leave webbing and yellow spots, and whiteflies create sticky residues. Early recognition is key to saving your plants. If chemicals aren't your preference, natural methods work too. Companion planting can repel pests, marigolds for nematodes and basil for flies. Homemade sprays with garlic or hot peppers keep pests away. Not all bugs are harmful. Ladybugs eat aphids, lacewing larvae devour pests, and parasitic wasps naturally reduce pest populations. Attract them by planting dill, fennel, and other flowers, and avoid broad-spectrum pesticides. Regular monitoring is essential. Yellowing leaves, spots, or declining plant health are warning signs. Keep a garden journal and take photos to track changes over time. Early action makes a big difference. Timing matters. Treat pests early in their life cycles to prevent infestations. Waiting too long can reduce the effectiveness of your efforts. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. Nutrient-rich soil helps plants resist pests and weeds. Add compost, check pH levels, and rotate crops to maintain balance and support beneficial microorganisms. The right tools make a difference. Hand weeders for deep roots, hose for surface weeds, and mulch to smother growth can simplify garden maintenance. A long-term garden plan helps you stay ahead of weeds and pests. Map your garden, rotate crops, and choose pest-resistant plants. Planning ahead ensures a sustainable, thriving garden year after year. Gardening can be rewarding yet challenging. By identifying weeds and pests early and using these strategies, you can protect your plants and enjoy a vibrant garden. Keep learning, adapting, and embracing the natural balance in your garden. Be sure to check out this video for more.